The kind of white dots you have on your skin, as long as those white dots are caused by lightening products. You see this thing is going to take it out. This is what you need, and this is what you need. This is what you need. These two will take it out. In no time, you'll be shocked. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and welcome if this is your first time of stopping by. You are welcome here. If you are a returnee, welcome back. It's always a pleasure to have you on board. So today's video, we are talking about how to clear white dots on the skin. I'm going to be telling you how to clear white dots on the skin, some of the causes of white dots on the skin, and how to prevent them. And I'm also going to be using this opportunity to show you some of the products that you can use if you are battling with white dots on your skin. Let's dive right into it. So white dots are those small spots that you see on your skin. Pictures will be running on the screen for you to see exactly what I'm talking about. It could be caused by fungal infection. Yes, you could be battling with a fungal infection and the side effects, white dots on your skin. It could be as a result of you might be battling with an underlying medical condition that you have no idea about that could cause you white dots on the skin. Like you've seen people who have vitiligo, something like that. That's a medical condition whereby the melanin production on some patches or some parts on your skin is really reduced, and due to that your skin is getting white patches on the skin. It could also be because of the use of steroids, abuse of steroids. Some of you use steroids on your skin back to back, no stop. Whether you're using it to treat or you're using it as a lightening product, as a bleaching product, you just enjoy it. You don't take breaks. You're just enjoying it, and sometimes it can cause steroids. Some people also take steroids because steroids are also medication, maybe prescribed from the doctor, and maybe sometimes the side effects can cause you white dots on the skin. Now, this is another reason why some of you are having white dots that you have no idea about: exposure to the sun. You are overexposing your skin to the sun. You are risking having white dots if you are exposing your skin to the sun without sunscreen. Whether you're dark, whether you're light, whether you're brown, I don't care whether you're using bleaching products or not, you are risking your skin. So you have to stop that. Start wearing sunscreen before going out to the sun. Now, another reason why you might be having white dots on the skin is due to the use of whitening products, aka bleaching products. You use it back to back, you don't take breaks. This can also cause you white spots on your skin, and this is where I'm going to show you what to use if you are in this category. If your white spots are being caused by fungal infection, definitely you know you have to take treatment. If it's a medical condition, you have to take treatment from the doctors. They have to prescribe you something. But if it's caused by bleaching creams or lightening creams, whitening creams, you know you have overused it, this is where I'm going to show you what to use. You see this soap right here? This soap right here, this is a herbal soap. I know it might sound, you're like, soap, how is soap going to do it? Get the soap. It is formulated for those who have white dots on the skin, stretch marks on the skin, excessive varicose veins, like your skin is thin. Those who have bleached until their skins are looking thin. See, let me tell you something. I laugh when some of you come into my inbox and you bring your skins are damaged, and all you want to do is to continue bleaching that skin, is to continue lightening that skin. Unfortunately, I'm such a very honest person that sometimes I even refuse to sell to some people. If they can be honest, they'll tell you I've refused to sell to some people because they just want to continue damaging their skin. And I'm looking at your skin. I know what you need is this soap. What you need is this soap. What you need is our repair scrub. You are wanting to get the Boss Lady because you've heard that it's giving pot 3 shades and your skin is damaged. Your skin is damaged. Well, I think this my over honesty is causing me problems. But if your skin is damaged, let me advise you, take a break. Get this soap. This soap contains lots of amazing ingredients. It's got honey. Honey repairs the skin. Who doesn't know that? Honey repairs your skin. It's got bearberry root extract. It repairs. It's going to help. It's not only going to repair the skin, it's also going to give you a glow on your skin. It's got sandalwood powder, it's got turmeric, it's got neem powder, it's got tea tree essential oil. Who doesn't know that tea tree essential oil repairs the skin? Now, and so many other amazing ingredients. It's packed filled with oils. It's not going to dry out your skin. No, it's going to glow your skin. repair your skin and also help to clear hyperpigmentations on your skin. It's going to firm up your skin and make your skin look good and healthy. Now, this is not all what you need. We also have the our repairing scrub. Depending on how bad your skin is, you might need the repairing scrub. But aside of that, this is a must-have. And then this, excuse me, this is our oil, repair oil. This oil is a magic oil. It does everything. It can be used on the face, on the body. But if you know your face is sensitive, please don't do it on your face. You have to do a patch test before applying it on your face. But it is an oil that you can use on your face and your body. This oil has 13 carrier and essential oils combined. It is also infused with different types of herbs. If you have white dots on your skin, as long as it is caused by lightening products or bleaching products, use these two. Add the scrub depending on how your skin is. If I see your skin, I'll be able to tell you. You are going to be clearing the white dots in no time. Drop your bleaching creams for a bit. Repair your skin. This oil does not only clear white dots, it clears even black patches. Some people have black spots, rashes on their skin. It also helps with that. It glows your skin. It firms up your skin. You have white spots on the skin, you have dark spots on the skin. Get this oil, get this soap, and you are good to go. You are good to go. Use them, wear your sunscreen. Okay, so that is it. If your skin is damaged, rush into my inbox. I'm gonna leave my picture in my number, so that you can contact me and order your product. We have this soap in a smaller package as well. It is our herbal repair soap. It is amazing. I don't need to over talk about it. So that is it. And now you know the causes of white dots, you know how to prevent them. And if you're using lightening products on your skin, take breaks. I always say that. You now know how to prevent them, and I've showed you some of the products that you can get. I'm based in the UK. I can send these products to you anywhere. I don't ship to Africa at the moment. USA, Canada, Australia, anywhere. Just contact me, and I'm gonna make sure I send them to you. So I'll see you in my next video. If you enjoyed this one, please do give it a thumbs up, and until then, bye.